Hello, little bird. Hey, pretty bird. Hey. You not getting enough to eat? Hello, little bird. Well, maybe next time I come, I'll bring you something to eat. You're a sweet bird. Yeah. Well, I wish I could help you. You need some water? You need some water? I know where some water is. This bird just landed on my leg a little while ago and got on my finger and my arm, and I tried to record it, and I forgot to push the button, so I tried it again, and he just hopped right on. He must be used to getting fed by humans all the time. Drop my glasses again. You want to get on here? Oh, now he's on my back. Hey, come here. Come here. You want to get some water? There he goes.